I'm so excited. Today's Saturday. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders, everybody. On this Saturday's The Core series, we're experiencing Sugarlands Shine's Eggo something or another liqueur. I'm super, super happy.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
Oh, I'm Will. I don't know if we introduced ourselves.
We forgot. It's cool.
I'm just so happy.
Okay. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, what did you do to make him so happy?
I saw this. I said, Will, we have to drink this. This is Eggo Brunch in a jar from the Appalachian Sippin cream from our put into Sugarland Shine. Makes this beautiful thing. It's a waffles and syrup cream liqueur. Now, if there's something Will I knew would hate, it would definitely be this. So I was like, we have to do this. So the people they saw that, the people were like, yes, you have to make Will drink that. It's going to be the best. But the fans demanded that we drink this just for Will.
I wonder if they had to get permission to use the name Eggo.
Oh, I bet
they do. Yeah, this is their second collaboration with them. They actually made an eggnog version a year or two ago.
Now that I might like.
So yeah, we'll do that one at some point. I don't know if I
like eggnog.
I have multiple eggnog liqueurs. Don't worry, I have the eggnog from Old Smoky too. So we'll get to that one just for Will as well.
I like eggnog.
Yeah. But yeah, this is the first one we're actually doing in the Appalachian Sippin cream series. We have multiple of these as well, as we have many Sugarland Shines also for Will's pleasure. This is 20%. It was waffles and syrup cream liqueur, the toasty Eggo waffles drizzled in syrup. It was created for National Waffle Day on August 24th. It blends the flavors of toasted Eggo waffles, sweet maple syrup, rich butter with a hint of smoky bacon. It's, of course, that's the second collaboration between them when they made their eggnog a year ago. Eggos were created in 1953 by Frank Dorsa. They were cooked, frozen, and toasted by the consumer to eat at home. All right, they said a fun cocktail is the morning cast. They said this is good to enjoy with your children while they eat their breakfast because you're having a crazy day. You need this to be a good mom and dad. Drink this while you're at it.
So, this makes me want to have breakfast.
Yes, it does.
Right now, it is literally maple syrup and butter.
It's the waffles too, though.
The waffles.
Yes, everything. It's waffles, cream.
But I don't have
maple
waffles
syrup,
without
butter, bacon. It's super. It smells like the batter. I mean, it smells freaking awesome.
There's a
so
lot
much
of
maple syrup
and vanilla
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah.
I could just pour this on pancakes and be so happy.
So I was going to say that pancakes a little bit more than waffle to me because I put vanilla extract in my pancake batter. I don't tend to do that in my waffle batter. I mean, it's not like I make a whole hell of a lot of waffles versus
Either
pancake.
way, I'm totally happy with it. Pour it all over it.
But this smells just like your breakfast that you made in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's got a nice picture of the best of brunch on the back with a little QR code. Some eggs and bacon and waffles, all sorts of fun stuff. Looks good.
It smells so sugary.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, maple
that
syrup
doesn't smell like breakfast to me. I get it, but it's just not. This smells like you put maple syrup on every bit of your breakfast. It wasn't just on the waffles. It wasn't just on the pancake.
Put it on the sausage too. You put it on the bacon.
You just pour it all over the plate. The whole plate's covered and dripping. It's beautiful.
Oh God. Oh, why?
For the people. They demanded it.
Why?
First of all, people, look how it coats the glass.
It totally does. It's going to ruin this glass.
There's a slight bitter component in there, but my
is.
God, that's so sweet.
It's weird that there's a little bitter component in there. But
it's burnt sausage.
it's
got the same.
Well, it's the burnt waffle. The first one's always the mess up.
Yeah, it's got the waffle batter, cream, maple syrup.
It really does. Butter. Maple syrup, melted butter,
bacon, sauces. It's a breakfast in the glass. Why have breakfast? You can have this instead. High quality, healthy, good way to start the breakfast for yourself.
And to go into work feeling
I
good.
suggest this in your console in your car. I think it would just fine.
Oh, it'd be nice and warm, just like your waffles.
That's right. Especially this nice heat. It'll be nice heated up for you.
Warm cream-based liqueur. That's
Now it can gel quickly.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just a wintertime console drink. For the passengers, obviously not the driver.
Wintertime console drink.
Just pass it around the car so everyone except for the driver gets some. Keep the people happy. while you're driving to Christmas parties, pass around some of this Eggo Brunch in a jar. Seems like a solid choice. It is delicious, and I love it. Will hates it, but that's okay.
Well, William hates most everything you do on Saturdays. So.
Which is why we enjoy this.
I mean, it is what it is.
I do throw home nice gins and stuff occasionally. It's all good.
Hey, I found a bunch of them that I like, so I'm not complaining.
He likes the bitter ones.
I only have to take one sip of it.
That's true. It's valid. It's true. I figure Sarah would like it, so either way, it'd be entertaining.
It's not horrible.
No, I was pretty happy with this. I thought this would really suck. It was actually really good.
You just put it right on in the batter when you're making up your.
Oh my gosh, this would be awesome. Substitute for like your milk. That'd be so great. Alcoholic waffles.
Don't serve them to your kids.
Yeah, don't give it to the kids. Not for
There's
children.
not enough alcohol in here. It would just burn off when you cook.
Yeah, that's valid. That's probably true. Really, really tasty though.
Yes.
Yeah, for 20, it's $20 of things. Who cares?
Hey, that's not bad.
Christmas presents all around, folks.
Absolutely.
We know you like breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out the Patreon for more behind the scenes fun. Until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Mm.
This is Eggo Liqueur.
Yeah, this is Eggo Brunch in a jar. Waffles and syrup cream liqueur from the Appalachian Sippin cream series from Sugarland Distill & Co.
Sugarland.
Almost say Sugarlands shines Eggo shit.
Oh, yeah. Look what it did to my glass.
I know. Same here.
That thing is jacked. This is going to take some serious cleaning. So you can get this little sucky thingy, and that's how you pour it out. And cleaning it, put your mouth off. Let's say clean it.
It's very
Sanitary.
it's a very sanitary way.
Totally.